If you are wondering if you can clone apps on iPhone 17, then the answer is by default no. Unfortunately, there is no built-in dual app feature or any feature or option or setting that would allow you to easily duplicate an app and use, for example, 2 accounts on the same app. However, instead of looking for a built-in feature, you can just go to the App Store and you can try to find anything that can clone an app, any app that allows you to clone the app. For example, we have over here like clone apps PowerRel space, we have something like multiple accounts and so on and so forth. So as you can see, if you simply search for a clone app, you will be able to find multiple different apps that apparently can duplicate certain apps. So you can try to use these and see for yourself if you like it or not. Of course, if one of them doesn't work for you, you can try another one until something actually meets your expectations. But that is the only way to actually duplicate apps on iPhone. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.